Hey guys, ants in the kitchen, mosquitoes in the yard, fleas, tick, roaches everywhere. We have the one product that kills them all. And you can kill them like a pro. Stay tuned. We're going to tell you what product, how to use it, and where to get it. You know, HowToPest.com. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Craig here again, HowToPest.com, your go-to for everything pest control. I told you today's product is a doozy.
This next one is a freaking doozy.
This product is a heavyweight in the pest control industry, and it has been for a long time. This is a broad spectrum pesticide. Broad spectrum, what the heck does that mean? It means you can put this product in a plethora of places. It can go just about anywhere. You're going to want to read the label, but you could put it in this park-like setting that you see me at today. If you needed to treat the lawn for fleas and ticks, if you needed to treat the bushes for mosquitoes, this product can do that. This product is indoor, it's outdoor, it's non-staining, it has no odor. This is a pro go-to, and I guarantee you,
I guarantee it,
that 99% of the professionals out there are using this product on a daily basis. What is this product? Talstar P. There's no cursing on this channel. It's kid friendly. Talstar P. What does it mean? Well, Talstar is the name. P stands for professional. So right there, they just told you it's professional, and you should believe them. That's how I roll. If they say it, it's good to go. Talstar P, guys, let's get into it. Talstar P, like I said, is an indoor, outdoor, lawn, ornamental, bushes treatment. Indoors, you got spiders, you got roaches, you got ants, you got earwigs. This product kills 75, hear me, 75 listed pests and more. It says not limited to. It lists out 75 pests, but not limited to. That means many more that aren't even on there. So go try to find a product like that. It does a lot. Indoor, you're going to do under sinks. You're going to do baseboards, spot, crack, crevice treatments. And anywhere you may see a trail of something you don't want in that house anymore, Talstar P. Outdoors, like I said, park-like setting. Let's talk about you got fleas and ticks in the yard. This is a great product for that. You have mosquitoes flying around, eating the frick out of your flesh, like they're doing mine in this summer right now. Talstar P. I'm not even going to pronounce the chemical here because I get made fun of every time I do. But you can read it, and it's a popular chemical out there. I'm laughing right now because I want to attempt it. By Reapplication. That's it. I'm done. Anyways, let me tell you why it's so good on the fleas, the ticks, the mosquitoes. It just holds up. That product that I tried to say right now holds up really well for those specific ones I just talked about and the other ones. But what do you do with the fleas and the ticks in the yard and the mosquitoes? Pro tip, you add an IGR. My go-to IGR for this product, Nigard. Nigard IGR. You mix this in with the chemical, you go to town on the lawn the way that label says, you turn that water off and you let it sit with no water for at least 2 days and let that stuff adhere. You're going to be satisfied with the results you're seeing, which means your pets aren't getting bit anymore and you're not getting bit anymore. Now, let me touch on your pets real quick. People think they spray and their pet was getting bit and no longer. That's not the case if you don't treat the dog too, and you cannot treat the dog with Talstar P. So don't say Craig says spray my dog with Talstar P. You cannot. You need to get a veterinarian approved flea and tick treatment for your dog, treat their bedding, and then hit the lawn. If you need to hit the inside for that, you hit that as the label tells you to also. Mosquitoes in the bushes, same thing. Make sure that water does not hit for a while. If you have ornamentals that you're like, I don't know if it's going to do something, if it's going to have phototoxicity from the sun out there, you want to spray a small area first, test it, come back a couple days later. If it's no effect on that plant and that ornamental, then go ahead and do it like the label says. The mix rate for this, typically for Talstar P, is 1 ounce per 1 gallon of water that you're going to apply. So if you have a 1 gallon sprayer, it's 1 ounce of Talstar P. If you have a 4 gallon sprayer, it's 4 ounces. It's real simple. It has other mix rates because it deals with so many different insects. So look at the insect that you're dealing with and mix accordingly. But typically 1 ounce is going to cover what we just talked about. On the outside of that house, I want you hitting the perimeter. I want you going up about 3 feet on the wall. Hit those window sills, hit those door jambs, and give yourself a nice force field around that house. This stuff, if not touched and affected by weather, by acts of God, 90 days. Realistically, 30 to 45. But the great news is Talstar P can be reapplied every 7 days. Don't go more than that. Even the label will tell you that, and you're probably not even going to need to do that. But let's say you just need a little touch up, a little more, every 7 days. Come back and hit that thing, and then back off and do it as needed. You don't even need to come back every 30 to 45 days unless you're like, I just need to feel good that I have a chemical down there and it's always working for me. If you don't need chemical, don't put chemical out. Do it as needed. That's what I do. People that ask us about spraying inside, the first thing we ask, are you having an issue inside? And they say no. I say hit the outside. We don't need to do the inside. There's no need to put chemical where you don't need to put chemical. It's there to take care of a problem if you have it, not to really be there in case you may have a problem. Okay, what have we missed here, guys? I've done the pro tip on the Nygaard, adding that in. I've told you this is indoor, outdoor, fleas, mosquitoes. We've talked about the mix rate on this product. Let's talk about how to mix that into your sprayer. Some people ask this, so I want to be clear. Mix whatever your sprayer of choice is with about a little under half of water. Put in the amount of the Talstar P, put the lid on, shake it up. Open it back up, fill it to the top of what your sprayer, your top level line of that sprayer is. Shake it again, go to town on those areas we talked about. PPE, professional protective equipment. This stuff is boring, but you need to have it on, guys. Some of this stuff I'm saying is boring, but you got to listen to it. The label is king. PPE is going to be gloves. It's going to be long sleeve. It's going to be socks and shoes and pants. So make sure you have that stuff on before you put this product out. You don't want chemicals. And my cameraman is coughing right now. So if you're hearing that in the background, we apologize. This is not a professional organization. And I think she's dying back there. But we're just going to run with this because I know you just want how to get this chemical out and what it is. Maybe we're not going to run with this. I'm trying to concentrate. We're here with you. Okay, guys, that is it for Talstar P. This is an exciting video for me. This is 100. 100 videos put out there on YouTube for you guys, and we're thrilled to death because you stuck with us. You make fun of us, you stick with us, you tell us you like it, you tell us your comments of your experiences with whatever we've talked about, and we love it. So please, guys, like, comment, share this with people out there. We love that too, and it helps out the channel. But that's not the exciting part of today's video. We have a giveaway. For the 100th video, we're going to give away this Talstar P. We're going to give a bottle away to the best comment. Who's going to judge that comment? I am, of course. So I need to hear your best comments out there. You want to make fun of me? Make fun of me. I'm game. But give me a funny comment. And we are going to pick that by our next video. And then we will ship that out to you. So comment on this, guys, and maybe you will win that bottle of Talstar P. Craig here again, HowToPest.com. Go there and get your bottle of Get your bottle of HowToPest. Get your bottle of Talstar P. Have a good day, guys.